What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Do As I Say and Not As I Do, although don't do as I say because I have no idea what I'm talking about, a series that absolutely none of you asked for, but I'm going to give to you anyway because I need something to do while I'm drinking during lockdown. But yeah, I did my own acrylics and they're still stuck on my fingers. They're actually not half bad. So basically, either when I get drunk, I get incredibly skilled, or I'm just lucky. I'm gonna go with incredibly skilled. So today I thought I would put my drunk skills to the test, and today I'm gonna be laminating my eyebrows. Now I'm fully aware this says lash lift. Apparently, I asked the girl that does my brows normally because she's like one of my best friends. Apparently this is also meant for your brows as well. It just says lash lift, so it's throwing me off a little bit. I've had my brows laminated professionally twice before. I have done a video on it, so again, we'll try and leave a link to it down below. We'll probably forget, but the thought was there. So I kind of know the process. Like, I filmed it and obviously I edited it, so I do kind of know the process, but am I gonna fuck it up? Probably. But at the end of the day, it's only Ollie, the nice postman, and the nice Latvian woman in Lidl that actually sees me on a weekly basis, so who gives a shit? I sure as hell don't. I might tomorrow, but right now I don't. So yeah, this is the kit that I got. I got it from Amazon. It seems pretty legit. I've seen a few other people use it. Basically, it's got like all of the instructions on the back, but it's all to do with lashes. So I asked Sophie, who normally does my brows, who again, like I said, is one of my good friends. So I don't think she minded the fact that I was messaging her at like midnight. But I sent her a picture of the direction and she basically sent me like a more simplified for like stupid people, a little rundown of what I actually should be doing on my brows. So I'm gonna try and take her word for it. I've already done the patch test and all that boring shite, so let's just get into it. So we should probably do a little before of my brows. So this is what my brows are looking like. They're pretty mental. Like if I fully spike them up, and I trimmed these like 2 weeks ago, they're pretty nuts. But if I just kind of like brush them down as normal, that's what they kind of look like. Ignore the little microblading patches there. Couldn't go to my top up, could I? In isolation. But yeah, that's what my brows look like naturally. So this is what the kit looks like inside. I wasn't expecting there to be that many bottles. Okay, we have a false lashes glue. Is this literally just like duo glue? I don't know why I have to sniff everything. It's probably not a good idea. If you guys don't know what brow lamination is, by the way, it's basically like the really fluffy brow look, kind of like soap brows, but a little bit more semi-permanent. I know it's like a love it or hate it kind of thing. It's not permanent in the fact that like your hairs don't stay like fully up. You can make them go up if you want them to. But also if you do want more of like a natural brow, just like this, you can also swoop them down as normal. My computer's running low on battery. So what the hell is this shit? I've got number 1, perm. Number 3, nutrition. Do I drink it? Number 2, fixation. Number 4, cleanser. I've then got the cleaning tool. Oh, is this like that thing? Like, I've seen it. Oh my God, have they given many of them? Great value for money. So this is what the cleaning tool looks like. When Sophie did my brows, she also used this kind of thing to brush my brows up. And it comes with 3 of them. That's quite nice, nice little present. And then I also have these lift pads, which are for your lashes, so I'm not gonna be using those. Oh, the instructions aren't there. Okay, let's give myself a little bit of Dutch courage. The fuck is my hair doing? So as you can probably tell by my just disgusting looking face right now, I haven't got any makeup on or anything like that. I did moisturize earlier, so I should probably cleanse that off. The first step, it says, use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Dust? Where the fuck do you think I live? In a fucking cave? Okay, so I've already forgotten what I was doing, so that's probably not a good start. I need cling film. Shit. Be right back. I hope I have some. Oh my God, I got some. Okay, I should probably put my hair back a little bit before I end up perming my hair. So the idea behind perming your brows and lashes is, you know, like a lash lift? It's basically that, but for your brows. Okay, so first of all, it says, use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil. We've been through all this. So I'm gonna use the cleanser. I don't know why it's called number 4 when they're making me use it first. Why are you tricking me? Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this on a cotton pad. Should probably actually put a mirror in front of me, shouldn't I? It's probably a good idea. Okay, clean these dirty bastards up. Ooh, tingly. So now what does it say? Apply the eye pads under the eyelids. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I threw them on the floor. Put the glue on the eye pads. This is where it gets confusing. What did Sophie say? Because I'm confused already. Apply the glue, but let it dry slightly, she said. Okay, so this is the glue here. Why do I have to smell everything? Okay, so apparently the stuff dries pretty fast. That's what Soph said. So I'm gonna pop that through, and then I've also got like a normal spoolie because my eyebrows are crazy. So I'm just gonna brush them up first to kind of just give them a little bit of something. Then I'm gonna pop on that glue, and I'm gonna comb them up. So, oh my God, that's actually, why is that so sharp? Oh my God, that's actually quite painful. Oh, and I've already lost an eyebrow hair, that's a good start. Now, why is that so painful? Why am I losing so many eyebrow hairs already? Like, Sorry, wait, I can't even show you. There's literally like 5 eyebrow hairs there. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna try it again just because YOLO. Oh my God. This is more painful than when Soph does it. Okay, there we go. We've got like a little bit of a rhythm going here. So I like to fluff them up a little bit at the front. There goes another eyebrow hair. Oh my God, I'm losing so many eyebrow hairs. Like I've got a lot. Granted, I've got a lot of eyebrow hairs, but I'd like to keep them on my face if possible. Maybe I'll just use the spoolie. So I'm gonna, just shove that on and glue these bitches up. So I'm not gonna do it like all the way up. I'm gonna start all the way up at the front. And then as it kind of gets to the ends, I'm gonna go a little bit more diagonal, I think. I don't know. What is that? Oh my God. I am losing so many eyebrow hairs. Holy shit. That's probably not the best thing in the world to happen, is it? Look at that. Look at those eyebrow hairs just falling off of my face. I'm trying to remember exactly how Soph does it. Oh my God, there goes some more. This is fun, isn't it? Just balding my own forehead. What great activity. Fun for all the family. Okay, so I think that's maybe what I kind of want. Obviously, I'm going to trim everything down. Like, the fuck have I done? Oh, let me just do a little bit more on the end there. I feel like we can get a little bit more on the edge. Okay, note to self, this stuff dries so quickly and you probably will lose some eyebrow hairs. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half. Like, I'm not joking. Like, what the fuck is that? That came off of my forehead. Okay, let's do the other one. So I'm going to pop that through my brows first. And I'm going to spoolie them at first because I don't trust that little sneaky stabby tool. But I'm going to do it to kind of like refine it. It's so sharp. It literally feels like it's cutting my face. Nah, look at this shit. Excuse me, like, they are my eyebrow hairs there. So we're going to add that. Oh my God, I literally ripped them out of the... Okay, this really isn't a good idea, but I'm going to carry on because I've already started. Oh my God, what have I done? It's fine. At this point, I've basically just stopped caring about how I look. Can you tell? Can you tell? Okay. Yeah, that tool scares me. Sensational. So I'm going all the way up, like, at the first third, then just slowly kind of just tilting it out a little bit. Doesn't seem to want to work with that, so I've got to use a little danger spatula again. Oh, why is it so sharp? It literally feels like a razor. Well, you guys know I got my brows microbladed fairly recently, and this shit is way more painful. Like, what the hell? Okay, there goes the rest of my eyebrows. I'm literally keeping them all here because I'm just like, I don't want to lose you just yet. Can we talk about the fact that my eyebrows have turned into little teeny tiny curly whirlies on this side? I mean, I could back out now. I'm not gonna because I'm stubborn. But yeah, maybe something should be left to the professionals. Okay. I'm going to slick these up. I am actually going to touch them. I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to do it anyway because my eyebrows, my rules. Didn't see you there. Michael, why have you just come to sit in the corner and just watch me? Creep. That's a nice eyebrow. What the fuck? Like, what have I done? Like, can you literally see all these eyebrow hairs here on the back of my hand? I'm just saving them. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay. That'll do. So now it says use the perm lotion on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. Okay, so perm lotion, this shit, from what I remember, from when I get it done with soap, this stuff stinks. Yep, that's familiar. Why can't I stop smelling it? Oh, it's so bad. It's like eggs and fish. I can't stop smelling it. Okay, so it says use a perm lotion on the eyelashes, eyebrows, and then cover your eyes, eyebrows with a plastic wrap. So perming time, 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to take a little cotton bud, and Soph told me not to put it on like the root of my brows and also like not on the ends because it can frazzle it. So she said to like just put it like here. Michael, don't go near this shit, mate. You'll end up with a perm and you already look ridiculous as it is. Is this right? I hope I'm doing this right because I've like fully committed here. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. I don't know anything. I'm going to watch out for the edges because, like, I don't want them to go too frazzly. I literally messaged Soph and I was like, hey, just so you know, I'm gonna be laminating my eyebrows in a video. And she was like, oh, cool, let me know how it goes. And I was like, I'm gonna be doing it drunk. Okay, so that's one brow. Let's do the other one. So I'm just gonna slop that stuff. Okay, why is it stinging? Is that normal? Is that normal? Is it normal for it to sting? I'm gonna put that on there. Okay, Siri, set a timer for 11 minutes, please.
Okay, 11 minutes and counting.
Cheers, beach. Right, I'm gonna cling film these brows. Oh, why didn't I just use the normal thing? Fuck it. Right. Right, I'm gonna squish these down. These bitches ain't going nowhere. All right, be right back. Just gonna chill with this cling film on my head. Oh, fuck. All right, so the next thing to do, it says, remove the perm lotion with the Y brush. I hate the Y brush. Okay, that actually feels a lot better now I've taken that cling film off. Why are my eyebrows so red? Are they about to fall out? So yeah, it says to remove the perm lotion with the Y brush, but I hate the Y brush. Is this just gonna take out more of my eyebrow hairs? Because if it is, I'm not gonna be happy with it. Oh my God, I just lost loads more eyebrow hairs. So apparently this stuff also does lighten your brows a little bit. Like obviously my brows are pretty dark anyway. I am planning on tinting them tomorrow. Sober, just so you know. Okay, I don't like this Y brush. I really actually hate this Y brush because it just took off. Holy fuck. That's not normal, is it? Is it? Is that normal? I'm gonna take it off with a cotton bud because I trust a cotton bud. I know a cotton bud. I don't know this Y brush. Literally, Y brush. Little grammar joke there, get it? Maybe if I like take off the majority and then do some scraping. It's just, it gets tangled because my eyebrow hairs are so long. If I drink more, it might look better. Oh, it does. Now I look fabulous. I think I'm just gonna have to commit to losing some brow hairs, you know? That is not normal. That's not normal. Well, it's a good job I ain't seen anyone because, fuck, dude. Oh my God. I have a lot of regrets. Okay. Maybe it's just like taking off the length of my brows because the length I can deal with. I'm gonna trim them anyway. I'm trying to think positive here. Okay, I wanna make sure that's all off. So I'm gonna get a little cotton pad and I'm just gonna brush that up and get rid. Okay, I mean, I've still got eyebrow hairs, but shit, that's not tint, that's my hair. Okay, now what? Apply the fixing agent. So that's the blue shit. Oh, cover it up again for another 10 minutes. Right, get the blue stuff. Make sure you smell it beforehand just because it's just fun, isn't it? So I'm gonna fix it. Again, I'm guessing like I don't put it on the ends too much. Hello, welcome to my beauty channel. Okay. Right, guys, that's me done. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I keep putting more on. I'm not sure why I keep doing that, to be honest. I think I just like the colour. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will, of course, leave links to everything in the description box down below. Okay, let's get in a little bit of cling film. Slick that shit down, boy. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna make sure that's all stuck there. So let's set another alarm. Oh, fun. It's 4:03. I love that. Siri, set a timer for 11 minutes.
Your timer is set for 11 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna mourn the loss of basically half an eyebrow, and I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, it's time. So I feel like we've done like the worst. So fingers crossed they should still be on my face. Ta-da! Okay, still there. That's a good sign. So then what does it say? Use the cleanser. Solution, plastic wrap. Use the cleanser to clean off all the residue. Okay, so we're going back in with the cleanser, number 4. So as long as my eyebrows stay on my face after this, and I think we're in the clear. I'm gonna try and wipe them off in as few sweeps as possible. Okay, that's a good sign. I still have eyebrows. Okay, this is looking actually pretty good. Ollie literally came in there and like, why are you doing this yourself? I was like, quality content, obviously. That actually looks all right. That kind of looks like how it looks when Soph does it. Okay. Then it says, use the cleanser to cleanse off the residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. Okay, I'm going to get another one of these out because I want it to be clean. And I'm just going to, I guess, just brush through. Why do I literally have knots in my eyebrows? I swear that's not normal. Okay, lost a couple more. Let's add it to the little pile. Let's see how many hairs we lose by the end of all this. I mean, to be fair, they're looking hella fluffy right now. That's pretty, isn't it? And then it says, then use the nutrition lotion to nourish your lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush these up. You know what? This is actually working. It was a very stressful process. And I'm still kind of worried about whether or not my eyebrows are going to fall out. But they're straight. My eyebrows here wouldn't normally stay up properly. They normally like curl around a little bit here. So I'm going to just kind of just brush them outwards a bit and make them like full extension. Yes, queen. Look at the state of that. Like so. Okay, I'm going to give these a little snip. Yeah, the Perming solution has definitely lightened my brows a little bit, but not too much. But I will be tinting them tomorrow or when I can be bothered. I don't think I did a half bad job of this, to be honest. I mean, I still got some eyebrows left. Like that's a win in itself, to be honest. Okay, let's brush these guys down a bit. Okay, so they're looking wild at the moment. They always kind of do, like from my own experience, they look a little bit crazy for the first like 24, 48 hours or so. Especially if you have had them tinted and they do look a little bit wild at first. But like, if I was to just kind of brush them across a little bit, they can look fairly normal. Like, I could literally, obviously they've got stuff in them a little bit at the moment, but I could just kind of brush them down as normal. And they don't really look that much different, but it obviously does give you that opportunity to kind of like fluff them up if you want it. Is it as good as Soph does it? No, not at all. But would I do it again? Yes. Like, not if I have the opportunity to then go to Sophie, but if there's ever an occasion where I just can't leave the house, but I still want my brows to look, I mean, let's face it, if I still want my brows to look mental, then yeah, I'd do this again. I maybe wouldn't do it drunk next time, but for someone doing their eyebrows drunk, I don't feel like they've ended up too bad. So now I'm going to take some of the nutrition stuff, whatever the hell that is, probably just like castor oil or something, and I'm actually going to dunk my spoolie right on in there. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, that was a good smell. All the other smells kind of smelled a little bit like they were either going to get me high or they were going to make me throw up. But this one's actually quite nice. So I'm going to brush that through my brows. And yeah, I just like the fact that it keeps these front ones spiked up as opposed to being like all over the place, and it keeps these guys all kind of uniform. I know it's not for everyone, and if it's not for you, don't do it. It's as simple as that. If you don't like it, don't do it, but I like it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more of that and I'm just gonna slap it on because I want to make sure these bitches are nourished. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Like I said, it is gonna look pretty crazy for the next few days, but I'm fine with that. Like I said, I ain't got nowhere to go apart from downstairs, bedroom, and Lidl when I do my essential shop. I honestly don't think I did a bad job, to be honest. Like I said, I would rather go to Soph because she knows what she's doing. I don't. But I feel like for laminated brows, whether you love it, whether you hate it, I know a lot of you hate it, I feel like this looks pretty good. Like everything's where it's supposed to be, everything's nice and clean. I may have lost 75% of my eyebrows, but that's okay. I'm still full. So yeah, once again, I am incredibly impressed by my drunk beautician skills. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to do, like that won't hurt me too much. But yeah, acrylic nails, smashed it. Laminated brows, smashed it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, whether you like laminated brows or not. I hope you found it interesting or at least like somewhat entertaining. If you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more from me. And if you do want me to do more videos like this, then let me know what you want to do in the description box. No. In the comment section down below. Yes. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys. I think I'm going to go and make myself a cheese toastie and drink like a gallon of water. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.